Research Day started as a one-day event in order to inform the public as to what we do. The thinking then, as it is now, nothing has changed in the thinking, is that we're a public institution, not as in publicly funded, since we're mixed, but we serve the public. The public, therefore, has a responsibility. We have a responsibility to the public to ensure that they know what they do and what we do and what they are paying for when they send their children to UWI. Research Day starts Wednesday, February the 6th. The official opening ceremony being at 10, and it is open to the public from 2 onwards. We will close at 5. We're open all day Thursday to the public and again on Friday. The highlights for Research Day, some of them you would have become aware of. We have a lot of research on the mosquito. We have Dr. Sheena Francis, who is talking about the resistance of the mosquito, that we're finding that this mosquito is beginning to be resistant to Malathion and to others. There's also the Dr. Delgoda, Rapika Delgoda's team, that's looking on the natural products. We have emerging research, which will be on cannabis. That's going to be topical. The fact that we have one of the labs that's growing the varieties for the medicinal products. This year, FMS, Faculty of Medical Sciences, is going to focus on Well Woman, and everything that is on display is driven by research. So they're going to look at mammograms, which will be linked to breast cancer. They're going to look at the entire age spectrum, from the newborn, the infections in the newborn. So we go with issues that affect development all the way to sexual health. Our talks, so on the Wednesday night, Dr. Henry will lead a lecture discussion moderated by the principal himself on Vision 2030 and the interaction of research, the importance of research, evidence-based. On the Thursday night, also at 6 o'clock, and this is a highlight, it's going to be on display as well. You would have heard recently of the closure of the malnutrition ward, the TMRI malnutrition ward. So Professor Jackson, who was on staff at the time, is a Jamaican by birth, will come back and will give the lecture, Mission Accomplished. It is Mona Research Day at 20. We have grown from a 6-hour demonstration in the Assembly Hall to 3 days of demonstrating our research. Over this time, we have come to appreciate the major contributions to policy.